Well, good morning and welcome to my backyard. This morning I wanted to show you this. And what this is a raised bed garden that I just built the other day. A couple years ago I had posted a video on planting a woodland garden, but it didn't really turn out. The video did, the woodland garden did not. Nothing I planted grew. Besides, I think the woodlands do a pretty good job of growing what they grow without my help. But for years I had said that I wasn't very good at growing things, especially indoor potted plants. But recently my wife and I have actually had some pretty good success with an ivy and an orchid and a anthurium and a peperomia. So I thought, okay, I've got my confidence up. We can do this. I'm not going to till up the yard and plant furrows and all the other gardening terms I don't know and understand. I'm going to start with this box and I'm going to see what I can get to grow. So let me flip the camera around real quick and I will show you what I have built. And what I have built is made out of 2x6 dimensional lumber. Got all this at Lowe's, and I got some corrugated steel. It was the lighter gauge stuff that didn't weigh nearly as much as I thought. I got some kind of heavy duty decking screws and put this thing all together. You can see it's wet because it rained last night. And that is a testament to the Thompson's water seal that I put on there. And so that's going to be protected from the weather. Even though the inside isn't stained, I did weather seal that as well. And it actually really came together pretty well. I was pretty pleased with how it looks. And my plan is to do cucumbers and carrots here for the next part of the spring. And beyond that, I don't know. But what I'd like to do is see if I can get some kind of something to grow besides vegetables. I like the idea of herbs, but I'm definitely open to ideas. So this is pretty deep. This is 2 foot deep by 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. And so essentially like the size of a sheet of plywood by 2 feet deep. And so what I'm gonna do is take my composter that I made. Well, I'm going to take the compost from the composter that I made, and I'm going to put it in here after I have added some old Christmas trees I threw out in the woods and some branches and limbs that are down or coming down. I'm going to fill up probably 3/4 of this with just branches and brush, top it off with some organic topsoil, and then add in my compost and see how it goes. But I'm really pretty pleased with how it came out. I didn't quite know what to expect, and honestly my carpentry skills were challenged. Without a table saw, I had to kind of use my old handheld skill saw and really go for the accurate angles on this thing. But I'm really pleased with it. I think it's a great start for some novice gardening, and I will definitely keep you posted on what will grow out of this container. So there you have it. I have a raised bed garden. Raised garden bed? Yes. That's what I have. And so if you have done anything like this before and have any tips or tricks or ideas or suggestions or things that will help me plant successfully in this, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you want to see any updates on this, and I will definitely keep you posted as to the progress of this raised bed garden. Raised garden bed. Okay, have a great day.